Srimatre Namaha. Welcome to Gayatri Diamonds YouTube channel. This is the most requested video on our YouTube channel which describes about the difference between the natural and the fake coral. So you can see here a lot of corals. We will see a detailed view of each coral in this video and the shapes and the varieties and the microscopic views of this red coral. So okay, let us start the video. This is the first and foremost form of red coral. This is the core form which we are getting from the sea. So usually in the red coral it is said that the coral which have dense and natural formations will give good astrological effects to you. It means that you should be very near to the nature. So while collecting an red coral that is coming from the sea has its natural characteristics in it. So this is the first and foremost form. Actually the red corals are the organic gemstones. Apart from the 9 gemstones which we are using in the Navaratnas, these are considered as organic gemstones. These have life energies in it. So this red coral is coming from the sea. Only 2 gemstones we get from the sea. In fact, one is pearl and another one is coral. So in coral we have 2 more colors, few more colors in fact. The coral which is having a white coral we call it as Sweta Pagadam. So Sweta in Vedic terminology is equal to white. So this is the red coral. So we call it as Erra Pagadam. So Errane Varnam. So red color, the coral which has got the red color is considered as the red coral. So while we see the red corals, usually in the market, this is the first and foremost most happening cut that is being sold to us, that is being shown to us in the market. In fact, this is called as a capsule shape. In fact, there are few more shapes like oval shape and semi-rectangular shapes and even triangular shapes. But according to the astrological charts, one would suggest you the shape of the coral as well. So intensity of the planet is equal to gemstone shape in fact and gemstone size as well. Some people suggest that depending upon the body weight, gemstone weight has to be increased. But Vedically speaking, technically speaking, a gemstone weight has to be declared according to the impact of the planet, not by the weight or anything else like body weight or some other aspects. The main criteria of the gem selection is that we have to see the planetary positions and what is the impact of the planet on the person. So accordingly we have to select the weight. And when it comes to triangle coral, here we are showing the triangle corals as well. These have a special significance in the Vedic terminology. If you see the most sacred yantras in the Vedic, in the Hindu Vedic system, all the yantras are being formed with these triangles itself. So this triangle shape has a special significance. If one astrologer finds such an complex situations in the astrological charts, then he would suggest the triangle coral as well. So detailing upon the triangle coral and what it benefits explained very deeply in our YouTube channel. You kindly go through the links. The slides which we are being shown in the middle of the video are those regarding the complete details of the each gemstone effects regarding to the shapes and the details as well. So when we see the natural corals magnified, you can observe a small dents on the red corals. You might have seen this in the natural corals. Corals are most affected gemstones according to the nature. So as we are corrupting the nature and contaminating the nature, so many kind of oil drips and wastages are being dumped into the sea. The coral family and the coral species are in the danger zone. So when we are selecting a red coral, while we observe the red coral in the magnifying glass or in the microscope, we will find a natural kind of inclusions in it. You can see the patches, you can see the dents. So we are not artificially waxing it or pouring any kind of artificial synthesizing or artificial polymers in it. In the market, there are people who are practicing this kind of treatments, like they will treat them with the polymers and they will treat with the artificial colors. So if one have to wear the red corals as it is coming from the nature, for the astrological reasons. Any gemstone, not only red coral or something else, while we are wearing a gemstone for the astrological purposes, one has to keep this point in mind. How near you are to the nature is the how near you are to the solution. So astrology is the subject which tells about the problem and their intensity. So while we are seeing the solutions as a remedy, as we are wearing the gemstones, we have to be very near to the nature. So, and here in the video you can see the synthetic corals. These are also called as powdered corals. So these are corals made out of the residue of the natural corals. Actually what happens in the industry was, while the natural corals which you have seen in the early part of the video, they will grind them, and the residue which we are getting from that corals is being collected and artificially synthesized with the artificial polymers and added the artificial colors and then recrystallized. So in one form we are taking the natural corals powder and baking it and converting into these synthetic products. Wearing these synthetic corals doesn't make any sense in the astrological point of view. They only look like natural corals. In sometimes they look even better than the natural corals, because the beauty that the fake or the synthetic red corals produce was anonymous. Like they will be very beautiful without any kind of blemishes or any kind of lines or any kind of dents. So one would easily fall in the pit of this beauty, say in the form of beauty. So one has to be very clear and very careful while selecting an red coral. So while selecting an red coral, you better follow the gem testing lab parameters. You will easily get the clarity about the natural and the synthetic ones. So while wearing a gemstone like this is the gemstone, it is highly manipulated in the market. Like if you see here, even the lines like you can see the here the oranges lines and the oranges patches are being captured. It is fabricated to near to the natural. So while selecting an red coral, it is really a big task, and here you can see the dents also in the natural, in the synthetic corals also. These people are trying to get these scratches or dents or some kind of chipping kind of things as well. So they are also using an high polish methodologies to get them done to look like natural ones. So while selecting a natural coral, you have to be very careful. You can always contact us via the WhatsApp links provided in the description box for more details regarding the red coral. Stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Srimatraya Namaha.